Nice to meet
Hello.
you.
To meet you too.
Can I introduce myself before?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm Ashifa Ramadini. You can call me Chipa. And I'm as a student from University of Bengkulu in Indonesia. You can like this.
Oh,
I'm
yeah, yeah.
yeah. And today we are going to learn Indonesian. Before we are start, you can see in this video. This video is for from me.
Mm-hmm.
I built my with myself.
Whoa, okay, okay.
You can hear this voice.
No.
Okay. Do you see about this video?
Mm-hmm.
You can hear the sound.
No, but I read the subtitles. It's
Okay. What do you think about first you watch the video? What do you think about?
um I think it's too fast. But I
Uh,
understood it. I understood it. Like they're
okay.
introducing each
Mm-mm.
other.
Nah, at this video,
Mm-hmm.
we can today we learn about perkenalan diri or in Indonesia is introducing yourself. Nah, in Indonesian, uh, introducing yourself is perkenalan diri. You can
Perkenalan.
repeat.
Perkenalan diri.
Okay, good. Okay, next. This is learning outcomes. I hope after you learning today, you get
Mm-hmm.
uh some science. For the first is introducing yourself simply. And two, you can asking other for their basic identity. And three, you can using into the introductory phrase in a polite and pleasant way. Okay, this is alphabet like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In Indonesia is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Uh, maybe uh, is different in English, but in Indonesia, like this.
Okay.
Okay, next. Maybe in Indonesian have things to introduce. For the first, have no, no, have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have seven things to introduce. For the first is sapaan. Like I talked to you before. Sapaan, sapaan. Then and
Tapaan.
yeah, and yang two is nama or name. You can repeat after me. Nama. Hello.
Nama. Nama.
Nama. Nama.
Nama. Nama.
Okay, good. And three is origin. Origin in Indonesian is asal.
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 Okay, good job. And next is address. In English, address is address, and in Indonesian is alamat.
Alamat.
Alamat, yes.
Alamat.
And yeah, alamat. And your age in Indonesian is umur.
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 Yeah. Oh, good job. And next is occupation, or in Indonesian is pekerjaan.
Pekerjaan.
Yee, good job. I'm so happy to hear that. And the last is hobi. Nah,
Hobi. Okay.
hobi in Indonesian and in English, uh, like a same. Like in Indonesian, uh, hobi, hobi,
Mhm. Hobi.
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 Yeah. Okay, next. Nah, in Indonesian have two type. For the first is formal greetings and informal greetings. For the first, we learn about formal greetings or sapaan formal. Nah, um, if you if you want to uh, if you want to talk good morning. Nah, in Indonesian, you can say selamat plus waktu or time.
Waktu.
Yeah, waktu have four in Indonesian. In Indonesia have four time. For the first is morning, afternoon, and night. Nah, for the first, if you want to say good morning, you can say selamat pagi. You can repeat after me. Selamat
Selamat.
pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah, good job. Nah, and next is selamat pagi. Nah, good morning is selamat pagi. And you can use from 5 until 11 or 12 a.m. And next is selamat siang. Selamat siang is good afternoon. You can use from 11 until 14 p.m. And next is good afternoon atau selamat sore. You can repeat after me.
Selamat sore.
Yeah, selamat sore. You can use from 15 until 17 p.m. Okay, next is good evening, or in Indonesian, selamat malam. You can repeat after me.
Selamat malam.
Nah, good job. You can use from 17 until 20:22 p.m. Okay. If you want to you can say good night. You can say good night. Atau in Indonesian, perpisahan malam. And next is in Indonesian, have informal greetings and hi and hello. You can repeat after me. Hi and
Hi
hello.
and hello.
Okay. Okay, next. Nah, and in Indonesian have a many religion, and we have another greetings like assalamualaikum, shalom, and om swastiastu. And assalamualaikum used for Muslim, and shalom used for Christian, and om swastiastu is used from Hindu. Okay, next. Nah, we learn about introduce myself, and for the first is name. Nah, atau nama. If you want to talk, let me introduce myself. My name is in Indonesian is perkenalkan, nama saya adalah, and you can say your name. For example, perkenalkan, nama saya adalah Ashifa. You can repeat.
Perkenalkan.
Yes.
Okay, perkenalkan, nama saya adalah Blair.
Okay, good job. And next, you can another introduce like my name is, and you say your name like nama saya, and you say your name Blair. For example, like nama saya Ashifa. You can repeat.
Okay, nama saya Blair.
Okay, and let's is if you once said I'm usually cold. You in Indonesian, saya biasa dipanggil, and you can say your name. For example, saya biasa dipanggil Cipa. Saya biasa dipanggil Cipa. You can try.
Saya biasa dipanggil Blair.
Okay. Next is place of origin, or in Indonesian is asal. Okay, maybe the time is one over. Blair,
Huh?
the time have 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, we can move to another link.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, Blair.
No?
Okay. Wait. Oke, itu ya. Okay, next is place of origin, or in Indonesian is asal. Nah, if you want to uh, say I'm come from, you can say saya berasal dari, and you can say your origin. Like for example, saya berasal dari Bengkulu. Nah, and another is if you want to say my origin is from, atau or in Indonesian asal saya dari Bengkulu. Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Next. Nah, next is address. In Indonesian, address is alamat. Nah, if you want to say I live at, you can say saya tinggal di, for example, saya tinggal di Jalan Baru, Gang Mangga 2. Okay, another. If you want to say my house is at, atau in Indonesia or in Indonesian, rumah saya di, you can say rumah saya di Jalan Baru, Gang Mangga 2. Rumah saya di Jalan Baru, Gang Mangga 2. You can you living at uh you live at home, your address. And next is age. uh in Indonesian, sorry. uh
Mhm.
have to type to say age. For first is usia, and second is umur. This is like same, because describe age.
Mhm.
For example, if you say I'm blah 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 years old, in Indonesian, saya berusia, you can say your age, like like I'm example before, saya berusia 20 tahun. Okay. And next is occupation. And in Indonesian is occupation is pekerjaan. Pekerjaan. Nah, if you want said I work as a, in Indonesian, you can say saya bekerja sebagai seorang. Saya bekerja sebagai seorang. You can describe your occupation. For example, saya bekerja sebagai seorang koki. saya bekerja sebagai seorang koki. Koki is chef. Koki is chef. Next
Mhm.
is if you want to say it, I'm a, or in Indonesian, saya adalah seorang. You can if you want to describe yourself, you can say it, saya adalah seorang. For example, saya adalah seorang guru. Guru in English is teacher. Like me now, I'm as a teacher. Okay, next.
Mhm.
If you want to say it, my occupation is blah blah blah, you can say it, pekerjaan saya adalah seorang pelukis. For example, pekerjaan saya adalah pelukis. Okay? Any question?
No, none.
Okay. Next, the last is hobby. Hobby in Indonesian is hobi, but in English it's like same, right?
Yeah.
Hobby hobby in English and hobby in Indonesian. Okay, if you want say it, my hobby is in Indonesian, you can say it, hobi saya adalah, and next you can say it, your hobby. For example, like your hobby, right? Hobi saya adalah
Mhm.
menonton movie. Like in English is watching movie, right? You like watching
Yeah.
movie? Okay.
Yeah.
If you want, say I love or I like, you can say saya suka. Saya suka. For example,
Mhm.
saya suka bermain piano. Bermain piano is playing piano. In English, bermain is playing. Okay. And next is you can try to introduce ourselves. You want? You want to try?
You sure?
No,
Um.
I can help you.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay. Okay. Introduce yourself. Nama saya.
Okay. Do I read all that?
Huh?
Do I read all of that? Like,
Yes. You want?
okay.
If you don't want, I it's okay.
I can.
Okay. You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay. 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 I'm nervous. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Hmm?
Nama saya Blair. Saya
Okay.
adalah student. Can I say
Yes.
that?
Yeah. Student
Okay.
is pelajar.
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 Pelajar. Yes.
Oke. Oke.
Okay.
Usia saya 19 tahun.
Ya,
Saya tinggal
19
di
tahun. Ya.
saya tinggal di Jalan Kali Progo Tua.
Oh, good job. Okay. If you want to describe your live, you can set your
Mhm.
address.
Okay.
Oh, like saya tinggal di Filipina.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Oh, you are so cool. I'm happy to hear that. Okay, next. Okay. In Indonesian have some culture, right? Uh for example, a culture from Indonesian is Indonesian handshake culture. Handshake culture have
Mm-hmm.
if you want to uh like if you want to handshake with uh your peer or to those of the same age, you can like this, like this,
Okay, okay. Oh, yeah. Shake
like
hands.
your with your friend, can
Uh-huh.
handshake like this. But if you
Uh-huh.
want to handshake with uh your parents or to older people, you can like this, this,
Oh, it's the same as Philippines.
that, like this.
Yeah, it's the same
Mm-mm.
in Philippines.
Oh, okay. Maybe have a same culture.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's play the game. Like I said before, I have a game.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, 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 sure. That's right.
I can help you. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm glad.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Don't be scared. Okay, you can you can apa ya season ko? Bentar. Wait, Blair. Oh, you can uh you can stack up a word, okay?
Okay,
And
okay, okay.
if you correct answer the word
Mm-hmm.
uh um, different color.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay,
Selamat
this.
pagi.
Oh, good job! Oh, correct! Perfect! Okay, next. Okay. Ayo.
Saya nama Levan.
Nama, saya nama? No,
Saya nama it's
wrong.
nama saya.
Oh, nama saya. Oh,
Oh.
nama saya. Nama. Okay, correct. Saya Zefa. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Okay. You can answer.
Saya berasal dari Bengkulu.
Coba. Correct or not? Or wrong? Yeah. Asal. Okay, good job, Blair. You are so smart. Okay.
Ah, ya.
Okay. Slowly,
Saya
slowly.
ting saya tinggal
Saya.
di Jalan Batu.
Oke, benar. Correct. Tinggal
Okay.
di this.
Jalan baru.
Okay, good job. Okay. Okay, next. Your
Ah, ya.
age.
Saya berusia
Saya,
21.
oke, berusia
21
dua
tahun.
puluh. Oke, correct. Good job, Blair. Okay, this is occupation.
Saya adalah seorang guru.
Saya adalah. Okay, okay. The last question.
Oke. Saya suka bermain piano.
Wah, okay. Okay, good job. Okay, this is your score. Uh,
Oh, nice.
okay. Maybe that's all from me. But before we end this meeting, I wanna ask you about this material. What you get from uh the study today? You get
Oh,
from
I learned
hmm?
I learned to introduce myself to
Hmm?
in Bahasa Indonesia.
Okay.
Then to ask someone without them asking me.
Mm-mm.
I know how to ask someone now.
um, what
That's
the
all.
word Indonesian you have from we study today?
What
Like
word I learned?
maybe I have some new word like um mm,
Oh, new words.
yes, new words.
Okay. Things like, can I look at my because I don't know the words.
Yeah.
Like pekerjaan,
Mm,
then asal,
mm-mm.
alamat, umur, things like that.
Okay. I'm happy to meet you. So thank
I'm
you.
happy to meet you.
Thank you for your time.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I can give you some gift maybe because I have
Give no, it's okay.
this no, like pengetahuan. Pengetahuan is okay. My English so bad, you know.
No, it's okay.
Oh, knowledge.
Mm.
Uh, I give you knowledge about Indonesian language.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for your time. Maybe we can
Thank you.
meet again to
Yeah, I
learn
hope so.
Indonesian.
Yeah, I hope so.
Maybe in another time
Mm-hmm.
you can talk to me, you can chat me. I want to, Cipa, I want to learn Indonesian again. You want to, you want
Yeah, sure.
to, uh, you want to be my teacher, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Cause uh my English so bad. So uh I want to always learning about my English with other people like foreigner.
Mm. Uh-huh.
Okay. Can I stop this record?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. uh thank you for your time,
Thank
Blair.
you. Mhm.
See you in a next I don't know, next year or
Can I say
next
something?
day. Hmm?
Can I say something? Kamu cantik.
Oh, terima kasih, thank you. Terima kasih. You pretty too.
Beneran cantik. Ya, my God.
Oh, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye, Blair. Bye.